Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an academic plan with Semester at Sea, beginner guide step by step clearly. To build an academic plan with Semester at Sea, start by visiting the official Semester at Sea website. Explore the various academic programs offered during the voyage. Review the list of partner universities to understand their course offerings. Identify your major and any specific courses you need to complete. Make a note of prerequisite courses required for your major. Consider the credits needed to stay on track for graduation. Create a timeline of the semester, highlighting important deadlines. Reach out to academic advisors at your home institution for guidance. Gather information on courses that interest you and align with your degree. Check the syllabi of those courses to assess their content and workload. Compare the course formats to your learning style and preferences. Next, consider the port locations and any unique opportunities they offer. Integrate experiential learning activities related to your courses. Craft a tentative schedule, balancing coursework and travel experiences. Ensure you have backup courses in case of scheduling conflicts. Consult with Semester at Sea staff to finalize your course selections. Submit your academic plan for approval through your home institution. Confirm your enrollment in your selected courses. Keep in touch with your academic advisor throughout the program for support. Regularly reflect on your learning goals and adjust your plan as needed. Prepare for an enriching experience that combines academics with global exploration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.